Hi everybody, today we're going to do a nice quick and simple exercise for PowerPoint tutorial 4. We're going to be looking at printing. Now obviously this is quite an important exercise only because you find that when you are presenting your slides in a presentation, 9 times out of 10 you would have the presenter taking a copy, a hard copy of their slides and providing it to the audience, which will enable them to then take additional notes as you're talking, because what you'll obviously do is have on your PowerPoint presentation the key points that you wish to cover, and then you'll build your argument around those key points. So when you, obviously the idea here is that you provide those points to the audience and enable them to then put in additional comments as you speak. So it's quite an important part of your presentation. So essentially to print, as we've already covered earlier in previous exercises, go to PowerPoint over here, we go to File, Print. Now obviously you need to select which printer you want to send this print job off to. What you'll be required to do is, your system may be on this setting, full page slides. What you want to do is, for example, you could have 3 slides on the one page, which is probably my preferred, because in this case it's nice and big and it gives you a good space to be able to make some notes. So this is probably the preferred layout that I would go for, as opposed to the exercise which states 4 slides are vertical, which is this one here. Doesn't give you much ability to take notes down, whereas this one does. So I'll run with this one. This option obviously is if you've got multiple pages, you can print them on both sides of the paper, just to save paper. But the rest is quite standard. So what I'm going to do is just to show you what this will look like once it's printed. I'm going to PDF it. So it's going to print this off onto a soft copy PDF form. And this is quite useful as well, because if you wanted to email this across to the audience at the end of your seminar, you could quite simply PDF it and do that. So I'm going to PDF this and save it to the desktop. PowerPoint print tutorial 4. Now I'm going to have 3 slides per page. So if I minimize this now and come to my desktop, there it is there, PDF format. And here's our slides, 2 pages. So you could quite easily email this across to your audience. So yeah, that's it. That's nice and easy.